Good morning all. So in today's class, we will look at few more problems on asymptotes. So the first problem is find the asymptote of the cubic curve y cube minus 5xy square plus 8x square y minus 4x cube minus 3y square plus 9xy minus 6x square plus 2y minus 2x equal to 1. So we have seen problem in the last class. So we were substituting y equal to mx എന്നിട്ട് x ന്റെ coefficients we were taking the coefficients of powers of x. So substitute y equal to mx into the equation. So we'll get mx plus c whole cube minus 5x mx plus c whole square വരും plus 8x square mx plus c minus 4x cube then minus 3 mx plus c whole square plus 9x into mx plus c minus 6x square plus 2mx plus c minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So let us take out the coefficients of the different powers of x. So first we'll take the coefficients of x cube. So x cube comes in this term, coefficient is m cube. ഇവിടെ വരുമ്പോൾ minus 5m square വരും. Then here it is 8m, then minus 4. There are no coefficients in the remaining terms. Then next, x square in the coefficient. So x square in the coefficient first term 3m square c varum. Then in the second term 2mc into minus 5, 10mc varum. Then here it is 8c. Here it is minus 3m square. Then 9m minus 6 into x square. Then coefficient of x is, so here you will have 3m c square and here you will have minus 5c square and here there are no coefficients, here no, and here x in the coefficient minus 6mc varum. Then here it is 9c, then here you will have 2m, then minus 2. Then the constant coefficients are c cube. There are no coefficients here. Then here minus 3c square. Then no coefficients here. Then you have 2c minus 1 equal to 0. So these are the coefficients of the different powers of x. Now equating the coefficient of the highest degree term to 0. So that will give the value of m. So you can see that by trial and error m equal to 1 is a root. But divide ചെയ്ത് ബാക്കി roots കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. So the roots are going to be 1, 2, 2. And now the coefficient of the second highest degree term. ഇനി എക്സ് സ്ക്വയറിന്റെ കോയിഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് എടുക്കുക, അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് എം സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് സി കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്, പ്രൊവൈഡഡ് ഇറ്റ് ഡസ് നോട്ട് വാനിഷ്. സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് ദി കോയിഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് ഓഫ് ദി second highest degree term. So we'll have 3m square c minus 10mc plus 8c minus 3m square plus 9m minus 6 equal to 0. So when I substitute m equal to 1, so here you will get 3c minus 10c plus 8c, then minus 3 plus 9 minus 6 equal to 0. So the constant terms will cancel off, remaining you will have c, but we will get c equal to 0. So the equation of the asymptote becomes y equal to mx plus c. അപ്പോൾ c 0 ആണ്, m 1 ആണ്. So the equation will be y equal to x. And now let us substitute the second root into the equation. അപ്പോൾ m equal to 2 substitute ചെയ്യുക. So that will give 12c minus 20c plus 8c, then minus 12. Here you will have 18 minus 6 equal to 0. So you can see that c യുടെ ടേംസ് എല്ലാം ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും, അതുപോലെ കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ് ടേംസ് ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. So we will get the equation to be 0 equal to 0. That means the equation is vanishing here. അപ്പോൾ ഇക്വേഷൻ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് വാനിഷ് ചെയ്യുവാണെങ്കിൽ, so we need to substitute the m value into the next highest coefficient. Okay, അപ്പം എക്സിന്റെ കോയിഫിഷ്യൻറ്റിലേക്ക് ഇനി ഈ ആ എമ്മിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ m equal to 2 substitute ചെയ്യണം. That will give the value of c, provided it does not vanish. Okay, so Upon substituting to the next highest degree term, so this is the next highest degree term, so substitute m equal to 2. So we'll get 6c square minus 5c square, then minus 12c plus 9c plus 4 minus 2 equal to 0. So that gives c square minus 3c plus 2 equal to 0. So we'll get two values for m. For c, so corresponding to the slope m equal to 2, there are two values for c. On c യുടെ value 1 ഉം 2 ഉം വരും. So we'll be having parallel asymptotes. So we'll have two asymptotes the same slope. So they will be parallel to each other. So the asymptotes obtained in this case are y equal to 2x plus 1 and y equal to 2x plus 2. അപ്പോൾ ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ എല്ലാ asymptotes. So the first asymptote was y equal to x. Then we have y equal to 2x plus 1 and then y equal to 2x plus 2. So let us look at the next problem. So second problem is to find the asymptote of the curve x cube minus x square y minus xy square plus y cube plus 2x square minus 4y square plus 2xy plus x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So again substitute y equal to mx plus c. So we'll get x cube minus x square into mx plus c minus x into mx plus c whole square plus mx plus c whole cube plus 2x square minus 4 mx plus c whole square plus 2x mx plus c plus x plus mx plus c plus 1 equal to 0. Now take out the coefficients of x cube, x square, x and the constant term. So coefficient of x cube is ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് 1 വരും, then minus m, here you have minus m square plus m cube, that's it. Coefficient of x square will be minus c, ഇവിടുന്ന് minus 2mc, and from here 3m square c, then 2 minus 4m square plus 2m, and then coefficient of x is minus c square. Here you will have 3m square c, and here minus 8mc വരും, then here 2c, and here 1 plus m, and the constant coefficients are okay, here I don't have, okay, c cube, so c cube and minus 4c square, then here you have c plus 1. So equating the first coefficient to 0, so we are going to get the roots as, so this is the first coefficient equated to 0. So the roots will be m equal to 1, 1 and minus 1, and the coefficient of the second highest degree term is minus c, minus 2mc plus 3m square c plus 2 minus 4m square plus 2m equal to 0. So substitute m equal to 1. So here equation vanish ചെയ്യും, constants cancel out ചെയ്യും, അതുപോലെ c വരുന്ന terms cancel out ചെയ്യും. So when m equal to 1, the equation vanishes. So we need to put m equal to 1 in the next coefficient. So this is the next coefficient. The next coefficient is substitute ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ we will get 2c square minus 6c plus 2 equal to 0. So upon solving the equation, we will get the roots to be 1 by 2 into 3 plus or minus root 5. So therefore, when m is 1, the asymptotes are x plus 1 by 2, 3 plus or minus root 5. So we will be getting two asymptotes when m is equal to 1. Then m equal to minus 1, second coefficient substitute ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ we will be getting, so the equation is non-vanishing, so we will get 4c minus 4 equal to 0. So c is 1. So when m is minus 1, the asymptote is y equal to minus x plus 1. So these are the asymptotes we have. So that is how we find out the asymptotes for a given algebraic curve. And let us look at a few results on the asymptotes. For an algebraic curve, the number of asymptotes will never exceed the degree of the curve. So the number of asymptotes of an algebraic curve of the nth degree equation cannot exceed n. So a given algebraic curve cannot have more than n asymptotes. Result is the asymptotes of an algebraic curve are parallel to the lines obtained by equating to 0 the factors of the highest degree term in its equation. That means when you take phi n of m equal to 0. So നമ്മൾ equation u1 u2 u3 formula arrange ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ so we have the highest degree term which is phi n of m equal to 0. So let m1 be a root of phi n of m equal to 0. Then the line, so when you take the line y equal to m1 x, so this is parallel to an asymptote. So the line y equal to m1x parallel to, therefore phi n of m നെ 0 ആയിട്ട് equate ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ so we will get the root to be m1 and there will be an asymptote which is parallel to the line y equal to m1. So that slope m1 വരുന്ന ഒരു asymptote നമ്മുടെ algebraic curve ഉണ്ടാവും. These are few results from the asymptote.